Well, like always, we just gotta jump right into this. So today is, well, it's today, but it's the first, I want to say something more epic here. I feel like there's words that I just don't know, but there's lots of words I don't know. The point that I'm getting to here is that this video is the first request video of a build. Well, I'm just gonna shut up and get to it because I've already made them. And they're great, but it just needs to be more dramatic. So the Nekote were tools of the ninja. They were known to be the tool of the Kunouchi. Little leather straps that went around pieces of metal. Definitely a close range combat tool. I wouldn't want to get close to anyone with Nekote now. No, you got to keep those at a distance. But I view it's a real psychological tool that when it's hidden, there's not much going on because you're just here. And imagine that there's a confrontation going on and this is the situation and it just kind of evolves. There's a real psychological that, no, I don't want to get close anymore. But let's just get lost in the epicness of these claws. Oh, they're great. That would be, just absolutely terrible. Just terrible. It's 1.5 inches of just sharpened steel that can take all that force energy, not the Star Wars kind. That would be so cool. Terrible. I haven't made something for me in years. Historically, no, not historically, that's not the right word. In the books I've read, the Nekote are very simple. It's just a little rectangle that gets sharpened to a little arrowhead point in a sense, that is sharpened and then curved downwards. It's usually mounted to the back with rivets or sewn, and then joint sewn, and some that I've seen have been lacquered. What I would like is a coconut. I think I can puncture a coconut. I say that because for wood, at least, I can puncture it nicely and grab hold. Oh, it's nasty. It's just nasty. It's really cool, but it's nasty. Historically, nasty little buggers. Kind of an irony in a sense that you could easily have these dipped in poison and just as easily stab yourself with them. But I guess in that sense it's kind of like a flexible tool. Flexible tools are dangerous to the users as well. Oh, thank you, person that said you should make Nekote. I should make Nekote. I have made Nekote. They're great. They're great. I gotta thank my Patreons. That I have a Patreon page, shameless plug, 9 Directions, check it out. It's absolutely awesome. Granted, I'm super biased on that point. So let's get on to actually how I built these things. Thank you, sir.
If I was to add Bombay of India in 1947, 1948, but once again you were told it's a matter of faith what kind of Indian you are.
Faith and none, gathered together inspired by a cause. The voices of the Hebrew prophets were powerful in the words of the speakers, religious or not, and Isaiah struck a chord amongst people opposed to religious force and form, but passionate about doing the right thing.
Your outlook is look at it. It demands of the way we think of a decent life. And moreover, Conflict Diamond told me you were doubling a bait and switch.
Yeah. You know, was that right? I kind of thought I was going to set it up with bait, but I hear that. There's all that. Hello, the life of a ninja.
So, anyway, Thor, this is, Kung Fury. He's a cop from the future.
Yeah, I need to get to Nazi Germany and kill Hitler, so if you could help me with
Well, as this was the first build that of build requests, let's say, request builds. No, we're going to stick with build requests. Or come up with a cooler term. Who knows? Evolution's great. What next? Do I have anything else to say? No.